Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your phone model and OS because steps differ slightly. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and your live photos or videos are backed up. Now open Settings or long press the home screen to access wallpaper controls. Select Wallpaper or Display immediately, then choose the option labeled Live, Motion, or Dynamic. You want to start in the correct menu so the phone recognizes moving images instead of static wallpapers. This saves time and prevents errors. You now pick the moving file. A live photo, GIF, or short video works best because these formats preserve motion. Once selected, crop and adjust the framing. Make sure to set playback options like loop or bounce if available, and choose fit versus fill so important content isn't clipped. Next, pick where it applies, lock screen, home screen, or both, and preview the motion. If it looks off, tweak crop and playback, because small framing changes can fix poor motion or awkward focal points. You finish by tapping Set or Apply and confirming whether the wallpaper goes to the lock screen, home screen, or both. Once applied, lock and unlock the phone to test the motion. If it plays, you're done. If the wallpaper stays static, make sure Live Motion or Animate is enabled in Settings and verify the file type supports motion. If issues persist, restart the phone, reselect the live file, or convert the clip to a supported format before trying again. These steps resolve the majority.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.